back to the Ultimate Trader Workshop presented by the Harmonic Trading Club. So, this is a special announcement, something we want to keep our eyes on that might present an opportunity. I said might, nothing's guaranteed here. Remember, we're out of that mode of guessing and saying that we know. We're out of that. So, we're looking at dollar CAD or USDCAD, dollar Canada, okay? And we're going to go back to what is becoming one of our classics or staple points, and that's 3-bar reversal. The reason that this is on my radar is 2 reasons. One fundamental, one technical. The fundamental reason is because tomorrow we are expecting a rate cut somewhere between 25 to 50 basis points. And if that happens, typically you'll see the dollar go down. So the dollar's the dominant pair on here, dollar Canada, and we're expecting it to go down. So this little kind of small little wedge that I don't know even what you want to call that. Not strong enough, of course. Looks like it could collapse under that fundamental news. The next thing will be the technical side or opportunity in it. And that being where I was going before, our 3-bar reversal setup has started to present itself. My issue with it is that it's not an A+ setup. It's not where we would have, look at our engulfing candle here. So it's not, so we don't have the engulfing candle that I would like to have. It's still an engulfing candle. So it's bullish engulfing candle followed by doji, okay, small body, okay, so small body, upper and lower shadow, followed by trigger and entry bar, okay. Now, we're on the weekly chart, so this candle won't close until Friday. And what has to happen is it has to close for confirmation beyond our doji, okay? So bullish engulfing candle followed by doji, followed by trigger and entry candle as long as it closes beyond our doji. So our 3-bar reversal is pretty much set and ready to go unless, price action somehow sucked all the way back up and did not close beyond the doji. That looks unlikely. It looks like the more probable thing that could happen is that weekly candle here closing absolutely beyond that doji. Looks like that's what we're going to be in for, confirming this reversal. Okay, so what our opportunity would look like is going to be pretty powerful. So we're going to jump right into our targets. We're going to jump right into our Fibonacci extension. We're going to use the 127 extension from the high to the low, okay? So we can't talk about the entry yet. We can't talk about the entry yet because we don't have confirmation yet. We don't know where the entry would be. I'm going to just throw something on here kind of like in the range that might make sense. And then we'll talk about how things are looking according to structure. So there's our 127 extension that you would play when you get a 3-bar reversal like this. Let's try to come in and see. Now we know the stops are going to have to be above the 3-bar reversal, and we're going to go tight on it. We're going to say even if you eclipse the high of the doji, you invalidate us. I'm not even going to use the high that was before it over here. I'm going to say, because that's a lot of price action to deal with on a weekly chart. So we'll say that if you come above the doji, you've invalidated us, we were wrong, and we'll move on to the next opportunity. So no telling where this will close, but I'm going to give you a couple of examples. Short, so let's take half of this back, right? Let's say he sucks up some before Wednesday, all right? Let's say he pushes back up. I don't want to make it way down here, but that would be ideal for this to be really convincing, okay? Maybe closing beyond both candles, the doji and the engulfing candle. But we'll put him somewhere around where he is, because the risk versus reward is going to be tremendous either way on this. And then, like I said, stops right above the doji, okay? So I'm not going to, like I said, I'm not going to even put more risk on looking for the high of it. Technically, that's the way you would approach it. Go toward the high, but I'm just using the signal in the doji as the stop, okay? Meaning no need to risk that much, okay? Our target was coming down to the 127, okay? Now remember, structure still always matters, okay? What does our 127 extension line up with? It lines perfectly up with the next set of major structure right here, okay? So that's the way that we are approaching this dollar CAD short, but we have what, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We still basically got 4 days to let this candle work. So I wanted to just go ahead and come in early. That will allow me to come around maybe Sunday for Sunday's video like this will be a follow-up to this to say, hey, this is what happened. But I wasn't going to let that from stopping me put the information out here. So hopefully you guys learned something from it. We got a chance to review the 3-bar reversal or trade 3BR. Once again, there is a trade opportunity here, even though this is for educational purposes, and you should consult with a financial advisor before you put your capital at risk in the market, pertaining to the disclaimer that we put in on all of our videos. So entertainment and educational purposes only, but yes, there is obviously a live opportunity here that if you agree with it, you could take advantage of. But remember, nothing is guaranteed in this game. So I think that's it. We can wrap it up from here. I should have asked at the beginning that you like this video because I knew it was going to be something special. But like the video, give it a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm can shoot this out and let people know some more amazing work has been done. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when amazing videos like this come out from the Harmonic Trading Club. Last but not least, head on over to the Harmonic Trading Academy playlist where we do teach structure analysis end to end, including things like the 3-bar reversal, including you name it, everything that can happen pertaining to structure analysis and advanced pattern recognition. Free here on the house. No gurus, no gimmicks, no scams, no paywalls, no Lamborghinis, no discords. All here at the Harmonic Trading Academy. All right. You guys be good. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next video.